Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make popsicles out of yogurt. Start by choosing yogurt and stir in sweetener and flavorings until smooth. Pour into molds, leaving a small gap for expansion, then insert sticks and freeze flat. For quicker popsicles, freeze in a shallow pan and transfer to molds partially frozen. Label molds with dates and enjoy creamy, portable treats straight from your freezer with minimal fuss. In this video, I will explain how to select ingredients that make delicious yogurt popsicles. Pick full-fat or Greek yogurt for a thick, satisfying texture and balanced tartness with natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup. Blend fruit into a smooth puree and taste before freezing so you adjust sweetness. Consider a swirl of jam or nut butter for contrast. Fresh herbs or citrus zest add brightness without extra sugar. In this video, I will help you get perfect texture and easy removal with simple freezing tips. Freeze popsicles flat on a level surface for at least 4 hours, or overnight for best firmness. Cover molds loosely with foil or plastic wrap to prevent freezer burn and reduce icy crystals. If you want faster set, pre-freeze a thin layer before adding sticks. Store finished popsicles upright in a freezer-safe container.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.